this, I want to show real quick, if I could, this is the balance jewels. This is both the cap and balance jewel itself. They are actually held together right now with lubricant, with the oil. When it goes into the cleaner, they'll actually separate. And so those go right back in. I close the little, take the stem. We'll go ahead and remove the stem from here and pull out our winding pinion. Winding pinion is right here, and our clutch wheel, which just transmits all the power and tells what we're doing when we're turning the stem. Are we winding the watch, or are we setting the watch, or are we quick setting the watch? It actually slides in and out. So those are all the components for the ETA-7750. I'm going to go ahead and close this up, and the last thing I want to do is pull the mainspring out. Or actually, I think I'm going to have you pull the mainspring out.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Oh.
Yeah, really? You didn't know that was coming, did you? So I'm going to have you do this. I'm going to warn everybody here working the cameras, springs could fly. So this could be kind of fun. I'm not that concerned. Again, we change mainsprings a lot in 7750s, so I'm not concerned about it. But I'll go ahead and I'll open it up for you. I'll make it, I'll take the scary part away for you.
Yeah, make it easy.
And then I'm going to let you pull the spring out, though, so you can actually feel the tension that's in it. The 7750 itself, if we examine the barrel real quick, the barrel itself, when I talked about the hour recording drive, this is the hour recorder drive right here. Okay, it's a pinion that's on the top side of the barrel. Bottom side of the barrel has a screw for the ratchet wheel, and then also the cap actually overlaps. It's not a flat cap. It actually comes across and captures it. So I'm actually going to open this up, just give it a little bit of help with the razor blade. And we heard the pop, and it released itself. So I'm going to go ahead and take the cap off, because I don't want you to do that. I will take the arbor out, and then I'm going to let you pull the mainspring out.
Oh wow, this is
not what you
exciting.
expected.
Yeah, no.
This is the barrel arbor. If we show it real quick, and we're going to show the mainspring all wound up in here. We pulled one of these out a few weeks ago, and this is the barrel arbor itself right here, which holds the power. So we got the mainspring in here, and what I'm going to have you do
Let's see if I can.
I want you to hold the barrel. Don't be afraid to hold it.
Okay.
And I want you to grab the mainspring.
And just pull it out?
And just kind of, don't pull it out fast. Kind of pull it out and kind of let it
unwind
itself. If you pull too fast, you'll see what's going to happen. You're going to make a bird nest.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, there it goes. He made a bird nest and the barrel went. You just set that up there and you can show exactly what happened.
This is why I'm not watching.
That's exactly what happened. The barrel is somewhere in this office.
It is gone. But look how long that is. That little bird nest that I made there.
That was great. That's exactly what I said was going to happen, and you did it. I didn't mean to set you up like
no,
that,
but that's amazing. I think this goes to show like how many parts work in such perfect synchronization. Because who'd have thought that was inside of the watch?
Exactly.
It's a nice little bird nest.
And I'm going to see if I can unwind this real quick, just so we can show how long this actually is before, and then we'll close with that. That was great, though. I was glad I was able to do that.
Yeah, you got me. Nobody warned me in the chat. You guys knew it was gonna happen.
I knew it was gonna happen, just because I've seen it happen so many times.
I should have figured this.
I let people do this, and one of the things I like doing, I love letting people that never took a watch apart take a watch apart, and it's one of those fun things that.
Yeah, definitely. And if you get an opportunity to do it, sit down with a watchmaker and have some fun. Even if you get like an old vintage pocket watch on eBay for $50, get some tweezers.
Those will drive you crazy. If you want to do something like that, I recommend buying a 6497. Even as much as I hate to say it, a Oriental 6497.
There you
go. And there's your mainspring, and this actually isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's actually still pretty flat. A little more twist in there, one more twist, and we'll get that out, and we'll lay it down. And it's got a couple little squirrels in it.
Well, look at that. That's like
Harrison found the barrel.
Oh, look at that. Go, Harrison.
Good man. Good man.
Look at this thing.
So that's it. So that's our mainspring.
It's crazy.
And there's our barrel.
Look at that. We're saved.
We're saved. So there we are. we tore down the 7750 live on the air.